My name is William Smith. I'm 30 years old. I live on the west side of San Antonio. I got into photography about 3 years ago during a deployment. Coming back to San Antonio after being away for 10 years, I saw a lot of the improvements along the San Antonio River, and I thought it was an awesome thing. I heard about the contest just word of mouth through friends. When I looked at all the categories available, obviously I went with the ones that aligned with my interests. I like to bike, and just going up and down the river, you get a chance to catch some of the wildlife and you take opportunity to take a photo. In recent years, there's been a decline in the monarchs traveling and migrating, so I thought it'd be a good topic to photograph. Any advice I would give is just photograph what you're passionate about. You're gonna devote more time, you're gonna dedicate a little more time. For me, for example, I'm interested in wildlife and insects. I took maybe 200-300 photographs of butterflies and submitted one, and that's the one that got picked.